Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Educational News, the program that keeps you informed of what happens every day at Saqqara University. This is my set of news, and here I go. Today, I will be talking about the protest that some students have organized for this November 28th. According to the students, the two reasons why they will protest are because the university where they study, Saqqara, has some problems with the infrastructure and they don't have an English teacher. So they say that some classrooms are about to fall down and the principal hasn't done anything to solve this problematic. Here we can see a picture of a student pointing out the condition of one of the classrooms that is about to fall down. We can see the condition is extremely bad. And on the other side, on this picture, we can see the principal of Saqqara University in a press conference. Let's go to a short break, and when we come back, we will keep talking about this issue. We are back to the set of our news, and I'll keep talking about the situation of the students, what the students are saying. The students also say that they have been studying for 1 year and they don't count on an English teacher yet, so they need a solution very soon. We contacted the principal of Saqqara University and he said that they will have a dialogue with the students next week to see if they can get to an agreement. Meanwhile, the students say that they won't attend classes until the university solves these problems. It's been all for today. Thanks for watching us. We'll see you tomorrow, God willing, in a new session of Educational News. Bye bye. Have a nice day.